the new video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a model that's called the linear regression model. This table represents your experimental trials with the varying voltage, form, volume and time. So we'll input this voltage and feed volume, the time, and we'll get the output as a result 1.21 and 5 point near the 42 when we'll enter the 650. Okay, so let's create the linear regression model based on the picture or based on the table. Okay, first of all I have to create the data set, which will be really good. I will just delete this one. First of all I have to print our input our library here, import, then pandas as a panda, then NumPy array, then input sklearn. Then here is the one thing more, from sklearn expression, not yet, we need this one, sklearn dot, here will be linear model import linear regression, that's we need to. Okay, so here I have to print the data set from experimental, which is really good in the inside of this here. Now if I print the voltage data, everything will be up to date or up to volume. Your voltage data, volume, time and hydrogen all are mentioned in this data set. So I just use this tab button, print this, use this data model here, and I have to, what happened in this here, I have to train that model. Okay, df equal data frame dot data, then next what. Okay, if I train the model in the here, then x volume, gf volume and time and voltage, then okay, use this tab, then y hydrogen train model and hydrogen, then use this model one, model linear regression. Okay, then model fit xyz, then nothing else. If here we use the df get number, number of prompt while true, then try catch the volume, equal float input prompt return value, except value error, print the, please enter the valid number, integer or float number. Okay, is this only tab because I already printed here. So if need here in the volume, enter the one, but I don't need this one. I have to user, I have to import user from user, then here I will print the user model. Like first of all I have to comment this one, user input. Okay, is this tab, number of, get the number of volts, enter volt, use this tab one, then volume, it will get number, feed volume number ml, then time, it will be time. Then here is the another one thing, that prediction, no warning, then I just type here input data, then I have to train model, get the model df data frame, voltage, volume and time. That's very easy guys. So here now prediction model, here we have to type the different model, then okay, is this one, then no need to the, that's volume or voltage. Again I just print this one, print, okay, prediction to hydrogen or ml, use this tab, so no need to another things. Okay, this is very simple guys, this code is very simple. So I hope you will enjoy and you can understand this one. Here is the problem, another form is the not correct because type was mistake. So import model, and if I correct this one, I use terminal, new terminal, then here's the another things we have to linear regression import model, for how we'll remove this one is very important. We have to install our few packages here. Okay, pip install pandas numpy sklearn, then it will be solved automatically. Wait for few seconds, it will be automatically remove this one. Already satisfy. So what happened, if anything problem, then or maybe it was the mistake was by type. Okay, type mistake. Okay, this is the exactly our code. So now run this one, F5. Guys, I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and you will get the idea how to create a model. Use the linear regression, use Python. Okay, wait few seconds. What happened? Okay, now voltage, how which one I we will print this one. I will print 12, 10, and 15. Okay, 12, 100, and 15. It was not 10. Okay, it was 15. 9.33 ml, that's the good idea. 9.63, 10.12, that's the nearest the hydrogen value, volume, or sorry, hydrogen yield, milliliter. So that's the good idea, and our correct code is this one. Okay, so guys, I hope you'll enjoy, and I hope that you will understand very easily this very simple code. So guys, if you like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you soon in the next video lecture. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.